What's up guys, hope you are safe during this corona pandemic period and welcome to the channel Seek Show where you can explore the best things. So today I came up with very special and unique product that will maximize your business more quickly. No matter what your business is, this product will give you new ideas, new decisions to make your business more profitable and more popular. So let's get started without further delay, but before that make sure to hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Aspectum is a web-based smart mapping tool which can provide you a variety of business solutions for almost any industries, including healthcare, financial services, environment, real estate, and so on. So, in this video, I will show you an introductory tutorial which include product overview, signing up process, subscription plans, and how to use the promotional codes in the description if you are going to buy a plan. And at the end, let's check what's inside. So, if we talk about the product overview, this web-based tool has very powerful features including data visualization, feature editing, and analysis. You can apply custom styling and 3D rendering for your data, and also same as other GIS softwares, you can easily edit attributes and geometry in the data files. Also, you can very quickly analyze your algorithms to discover the hidden patterns of your data. No more not responding messages, no more errors in your computer, and you don't want to wait for hours to see the analysis outputs. You don't want to have a powerful computer to do these things. Aspectum will do all for you. More importantly, you can see some unique features that others don't have, such as widgets, auto update, SQL, WMS, and sharing features. I hope to dive in deep about these things in later tutorials. So let's sign up and see what's inside. Click sign up, fill up these details, and check your email to confirm your Aspectum account. Easy as a pie. If you need, you can use your Google, LinkedIn, or Facebook account to log into your Aspectum account. Easy to start and no more pre-installations. Here we go. This is the first interface that we are going to use for coming tutorials. You can see many things here, but I am not going to show you all at once. Finally, I will show you how to use the promotional codes when you are purchasing a monthly or yearly subscription. Please find the relevant promotional code in the video description below and you can paste it here. And please make sure to buy the most suitable and matching plan for you. You can check and compare free, basic, pro and enterprise plans and their available features and facilities. Also, if you need more, ask about the premium option here. Furthermore, you can see a detailed pricing comparison here. 100 smart analytics, 3-minute easy to start, 31 data categories, and number 1 in 3D data visualization, and that is Aspectum. To see more about Aspectum, stay tuned with the channel. If you need more educational and technology related stuff, hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Don't forget to hit a like for this video, share this video with your friend. I will be back with the next tutorial soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.